What's going on, guys? This is Time FK7 and welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a really short video. I'm going to be showing you how to pull up the internet browser on your infotainment system, and it's a pretty hidden feature that I think a lot of people don't know about. So we're going to go inside and we're going to discover that hidden feature. Let's go. Alright guys, so now that we're inside of the vehicle, obviously you're going to want to turn on your engine. You can now go on your infotainment screen, which will look like this. So this is a before. When you press the all apps button, the web browser is nowhere to be found, and I'll show you how it's done. So now we're on the screen. So what you're going to do is press your volume button, your phone button, and your dimmer switch, which is right here. So your volume, your phone, and your dimmer switch. Your dimmer switch, by the way, is on top of your infotainment screen, just in case you didn't know. So you're gonna go ahead and press all three of these buttons, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now you're on the secret menu. So once you're in the secret menu, you're gonna touch this detail information and setting. So tap on that. So now we have all of this. You can monitor, check, you can BCAN, FCAN, which I don't know what that means. You can even check your vehicle status, but we're not gonna do that. So you are now gonna be pressing and holding the phone button, which is this button right here. So press and hold it. Now you're gonna be taken to this menu. So you have all of this. So what you're gonna do is scroll down until you see this special function setting. So once you have that, go ahead and tap on it, and then you're gonna click on cancel Android restriction. So go ahead and tap that. So once you hit cancel Android restriction, you're then gonna go click return. Click on return. Alright, so once you back out of all the screens, you're now going to be hitting this button right here, which displays all your apps. So go ahead and press on that. And now we have this browser icon right there. You're going to have to connect this to Wi-Fi first. So you can use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot, like I have here. And to access your Wi-Fi, you're simply going to scroll down right here. And this is like another hidden menu that is embedded within your infotainment system. You're going to go ahead and press the settings button, and then that's where you can see your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all of your other settings. So once you click on Wi-Fi, obviously you're going to search for your phone's hotspot. In this case, I have it connected to my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So you select that, input the password, and voila, you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Now that your infotainment is connected to the Wi-Fi, go ahead and press the all apps button and go in your browser. And as you can see, I now have Google opened up. And to test whether or not this really works, so I'm gonna go ahead and search, hit the search button on Google, and I'm just gonna search myself, Time FK7. So it's gonna take a little bit to load. And as you can see, I have all of these search results. I have my Instagram, Facebook, and of course I have my video on YouTube. So let's go to images. Let's see some images of Time FK7. So now, as you can see, I have some images of my YouTube channel thumbnails. So there you go. So let's go back to Google. And yeah, you can just use this as a regular web browser. You can visit whatever site you want. But for some reason, YouTube is not supported with this browser. So I wouldn't try going on YouTube because for some reason it's not supported. But any other site you can go on to, it just takes a little while to load because again, you know, this infotainment system isn't really designed to go on those kind of websites. So you can, you know, just access Google and Google something. But yeah, it's nice to have in your car, knowing that you can access the web browser on your infotainment system. Hopefully they can do an update in the future that allows us to use YouTube. Otherwise you might have to just hack into your infotainment system to use that feature. And I just wanted to mention, whenever you start your car, when you go back to the all apps button, the web browser is going to be gone. So every time you turn your car back on, you're not going to get that web browser, so you're going to have to go through that whole process again. So this is ideal for like road trips if your passengers are bored, or you know, if you're bored. And this is a neat little party trick that you can show them if you want. But other than that, you would have to reactivate it again on the thing I just showed you. So just a little heads up for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned something, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think. It's unfortunate that YouTube is not supported in this web browser that your stock infotainment has. Hopefully, you know, they can make a update to that. You would have to create a wireless hotspot through your phone so that you can connect your infotainment system using the Wi-Fi that's built in. But yeah, web pages load really slow. But again, it's nice to have on your vehicle knowing that you can access the web browser. I also want to add that I got floor mats for this vehicle. If you haven't watched my previous video, they do really change the look of the interior of this vehicle, as well as protect your floor from any dirt or debris or any of that stuff. And they're easy to clean. So if you're interested, be sure to check out that link down below in the description. It is on sale until the end of January. So if I were you, I'll take advantage of this opportunity and get yourself some all-weather floor mats from Last Fit. It's $99, regular price is $159.99. So be sure to check out that link down below in the description and buy these floor mats. Anyways, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time FK7 and peace out. Also, check out my Instagram. It's Chris_Time FK7, as well as our Facebook page, which is Chris Time FK7. And I also have a brand new TikTok that I just made. It's at Chris Time FK7. So if you guys want to give me a follow and like the page, I will highly appreciate it. Alright guys, just like my last video, I'm going to be putting a GoPro on my head. That way you guys can see a little point of view of what's going on. So let's do that. Alright, so now that I have the GoPro on my head, let's go ahead and unbox this. Of course I forgot to bring a knife.